Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Software World. So today we are going to see the creation of layers in AutoCAD. So here I am using AutoCAD 2017 version. So before starting creating a layer, we have to set the properties of line as bilayer. Okay, whether it is color or line weight or line thickness, set it as a bilayer. Layer is used to organize our plan or drawing whether it is architectural plan or structural plan. If our plan becomes a little complicated, so we can hide or display the particular object as per our need. So layers are being used. Any drawing is done in layers only. Okay, so first, this is the default layer. Okay, for creation of layers, double click here. Otherwise, the shortcut of layer is LA, enter. Okay. So for creating a new layer, for example, we have to draft wall, then doors, window. We have to give any text or beam or column. For that, for particular or everything, we have to create a layer and then draft. For this, creating a new layer, select here as a new layer, otherwise the shortcut is Alt N. For example, I have to create a wall, so I'm creating a wall here. We can change the color, line weight, line thickness, then transparency. This I'll explain it later. For example, I'm giving you a color. Okay, I'll give this. Then, for example, I want to create a window. I'm giving you an example, so please see this. I'll use the primary colors only. Then label, for example, we have to give any text for the drawing. Then window layer, then door. So here I've created layers which I wanted. After creating the layers, I'll close here the window. Okay, now the created layers can be seen here. Okay, for example, first I want to draw a wall, draft a wall. So I'll select the wall layer, select line, I'll enter. I'm just giving you an example here. I'm giving you a wall thickness. For example, here I have created a one room with the layer wall layer. Okay, uh, 2 minutes. Okay, for example, I am giving here a window. For this, now I want to create a window, so select window layer. I'll just give an example using rectangle. Okay, uh, for example, now I want to create a door. If you have a door block, you can use that. I'm just creating with an arc, 3 point arc. the door is not created like this. I'm just giving it an example. Now I want to give a text or any dimensions for that, so I'll open the layer of labeling. The text height is too big, so I'll change it. I'm just giving you an example, so I'm just selecting anywhere and giving the dimensions so that I can give you an example or explain you properly. So please don't judge me. Okay, I'm just selecting here so that I can create two more rooms for that. Okay, for example, now here our plan is being created with layers. Okay, now the option is turn off, turn on. As you can see, like a bulb, so it is the option of turn on and turn off. It is used for turning off any layer. For example, I don't want to show dimensions for the plan. Okay, it is being looking like complicated, so I can just turn off the layer of label. The window is coming as the turn off the current layer, so the layer is being just turn off. If you want to turn on, just select here again. The next option is freeze unfreeze. It is the same option like turn off, turn on. For example, I want to turn off, freeze the wall layer, just select on the wall layer, the layer will be freezed. The difference between turn off, turn on and the freeze is just that. Now for example, the current layer is labeling. Okay, the layer the current in the current layer is labeling. This current layer can be turn off, turn on, but the current layer cannot be frozen. Okay, now for example, just I'm trying here to freeze the current layer, that is label. So the message is coming as the layer cannot be frozen because it is the current layer. So the current layer cannot be freeze or unfreeze, it can be turn on and turn off. Okay, the next option is as a lock unlock. For example, it is used for just locking the plan or the drawing temporarily. For example, a plan is over and we are going for the elevation, we can just lock it temporarily. For example, I want to lock the layer of wall, so I'm just selecting on the wall layer as lock. Now we cannot change anything for the current layer, that is wall layer. Okay, if I'm using any command, for example move command, the icon is coming as a lock layer, so we cannot change anything if the layer is being locked. If we want to unlock this, again select here. Okay, escape. Then after this, for quick access, the same options are being given here, that is turn off, turn on. Then isolate, the isolate option is given as, for example, I'm selecting a wall layer and I'll isolate this. Means what? Except wall layer, the other layers will be hidden, or it will be locked. Okay, for example, I'm selecting a wall layer and I'll just isolate it, the other layers are being locked. Okay, again if you want as it is, just unisolate, all the layers will become unisolate. Then freeze unfreeze, lock unlock. Then make current layer. Make current layer means what? If for example, in door layer I have created a dimension. So I want to change them. Just select this, and we can change it by just selecting the particular layer which we want in that. Okay, and the last option is make match layer. For example, I've created something in default layer. Now I want to change this or the match layer with the wall layer. So here it is a wall layer. Okay, so just select wall layer, match layer, select both the drawings or both the layers, enter. Now I want to give or match a layer of wall with this drawing. So I'll just select the wall layer. So drawing is being matched. So here is the layers of AutoCAD. If you have any doubt or if you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment section. And thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and comment in my channel. Thank you.